Question number 1. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. There blank a book on the table. Options are A were, B was, C are, D be. The correct answer is was. Question number 2. Select the correct word. The chairs blank arranged neatly in the room. Options are A was, B is, C were, D be. The correct answer is were. Question number 3. Which sentence uses was correctly? Options are A the boxes was heavy, B the children was excited, C the weather was pleasant, D the books was missing. The correct answer is the weather was pleasant. Question number 4. Choose the correct form. There blank many reasons to improve the plan. Options are A was, B is, C were, D be. The correct answer is were. Question number 5. Identify the correct sentence. Options are A the instructions were clear, B the instruction were clear, C the instructions was clear, D the instruction was clear. The correct answer is the instructions were clear. Question number 6. Fill in the blank correctly. The cup blank empty after use. Options are A were, B are, C was, D be. The correct answer is was. Question number 7. Which option correctly completes the sentence? The answers blank incorrect. Options are A was, B is, C were, D be. The correct answer is were. Question number 8. Choose the correct sentence using were. Options are A the task were easy, B the task was easy, C the tasks was easy, D the tasks were easy. The correct answer is the tasks were easy. Question number 9. Select the correct option. There blank a problem with the system earlier. Options are A were, B are, C was, D be. The correct answer is was. Question number 10. Which sentence is grammatically correct? Options are A the results was announced, B the result were announced, C the results were announced, D the result were announced. The correct answer is the results were announced.